Hi there folks, well we're back in the Quickcrop garden on a beautiful sunny day. It's the end of April now and we're going to plant some mange to pea seedlings that we started off maybe about 3 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks now, sorry, 4th of April, so 3 weeks ago. So you can plant out pea seedlings in sort of mid-March, even a little bit earlier if you're lucky, but the weather had just been so bad and so wet, our heart wasn't in it. But in this beautiful sunny day, it certainly is. So let's get going. We're going to be putting in our rows of peas about 25 centimeters apart. And then we're going to be growing up supports, because obviously this is a climbing variety of pea. So we're going to be attaching some twine onto it for our peas to grow up. But we need to get planted first, so let's just do that. Okay, so that's given them a good drink. And now our next job then is we're going to put nails along these posts here, and that's to hold our wires. And we're going to put them in at about 20 centimeters apart. So we've got our hammer and we've got our nails. So let's get hammering. Right, well that's all there is to it really. So the reason for these wires obviously is for the peas to clamber up. So it's a little bit windy today, so it's blowing them around. But you can see here, Danny, if you zoom in, if you can see those little tendrils there on the pea, they're going to wrap themselves around this twine. So I'll be over the next couple of days just kind of propping my peas up and just making it so that they're lying against that twine, and then they'll start growing around it. And once they've started, then they'll go flying up our poles here. So the two strings at the bottom, which are a bit wider apart, is just to sort of try and corral them in. And then we're going to be, as they grow up, we're going to be pushing them inside these wires all the time. And then we're going to end up with a reasonably tidy sort of pea hedge. And as you can see, we've left plenty of room in between each row here for picking. So come back next time, and soon we're going to be eating some beautiful, tasty peas.